Housing Act was passed in 1968 as part of the Civil Rights Act. The law takes fair housing seriously, so whether you're a landlord or a tenant, it's a good idea to get familiar with it. The law says that a rental application cannot be denied on the basis of marital status, sex, gender, age, disability, religion, color, race, or nationality. All of these are considered protected classes under the Act. A landlord can also not deny applicants who are pregnant, have kids, or cares for an elderly person. So what does the Fair Housing Act mean for you? If you're a landlord, it means that you need to be aware that there are legal reasons to deny a renter's application, but that there are also illegal reasons. If you're a tenant, it means that you have rights and the grounds for filing an official complaint if you feel you are being discriminated against. We'll take a look at both perspectives in this video. If you're a landlord reviewing applications, concern yourself with whether an applicant can pay rent on time and show a record of being a reliable tenant. Be consistent. Ask all renters the same questions. If you refuse to show or rent to someone in a protected class, or if you charge a higher rent or security deposit on the basis of who you're renting to, or if you refuse to rent to people with kids, or if you refuse to modify the property to accommodate disabled persons, you could be sued. But there are some perfectly legal reasons to deny a rental application. You're allowed to reject a tenant who can't afford the rent, can't verify income, has a low credit score, has a pet, was previously evicted, has a history of frequently moving, is portrayed negatively by a reference, has been convicted of a certain crime within a certain time frame, has no track record, lies, uses drugs, and does not fill out the application or authorize a background check. If you're applying for rentals and you can prove you'll be a good tenant, then a landlord isn't allowed to deny your access to his or her property. If you feel that you've been discriminated against, you can file a complaint online with the Discrimination of Housing and Urban Development. You can also seek assistance with filing a complaint from organizations such as your state or local human rights office, the National Fair Housing Alliance. Know that it's illegal for the landlord you're filing a complaint against to retaliate against you. The Fair Housing Act can be tricky to navigate, so if you're unsure about a rental application, it may be a good idea to seek legal advice from an attorney who specializes in housing law.